Welcome to our clubhouse. Oh, say, do you like to sing? Well, I love to sing.
Did somebody say sing?
You. Today's an extra special day because we're going to sing on the Clarabelle TV show.